Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Steven. Ich heiße Steven. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Prima, danke. Gut, danke. Ich wohne in Manchester. Ich wohne in Manchester. Das ist in England. Das ist in England. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Hello everybody, and I hope you understood my little introduction there. Did you understand my questions? And I hope you were able to give an answer. We've learned a lot of German so far in these videos, haven't we? Today I think it's time that we had a look at the German alphabet, or at least the first half of it. I can only get so much on my whiteboards, so we'll do the first half in this lesson and the rest of it in another lesson. The good news is that the German alphabet is very, very much like the English one. Most of the letters are pronounced in exactly the same way. So, let's get into it. First one, A. So, this is how you say it. This is just for me to help you know how to say it. A. And an example is the word Apfel. Apfel. So it's an A sound, just like English. Okay. Apfel. What's that word? You can eat it. They can be green, sometimes red, crunchy. Take off the F. It's a bit like the English. Apple. Apfel. So A is the name of the letter and the sound is just A. Apfel. Next one. B. Very similar to English. A, B. A, B. It's a B sound like the word Buch. Remember we had Buch is just a book. So A, then B. A, B. The next one is C. So it's a C. 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 A, B, C. A, B, C. Now German there aren't many words really that start with this letter. Sometimes we get it in the middle, like here. So I've not put a word. We don't need to worry about that too much. Just know that it's A, B, C. C, C, C. A, B, C. Next one, D. So this is how you say it. D. And the letter sound is just a D, like English. D. Du is you. Ich is me. Du is you. So there's an example. It's D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Let's continue. Our first vowel. This one, now this is a little bit different from the English. It's A. A. So in English we have E, don't we? But it's German, it's A. And we call this word, it's a name, isn't it? A man's name. We'd say Peter, because the letter's E. But in German, because it's A, can you guess? Peter. So, and that's a man's name in Germany. Some people are called Peter. We say Peter. But it's A. Peter. Peter. A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. Next one's easy. F. Just like English, and it's a F, like we used to. This is an animal. Frosch. Frosch. You might see one jumping around near a pond. It's a frog. So, Frosch, F, F. So, A, B, C, D, A, and F. A, B, C, D, A, F. A, B, C, D, A, F. Next board. G. G, but it's the same as English, it's just G. A hard G sound. An example is the word gut. It's that one there. Gut. We used that before, didn't we? If I said wie geht's? Gut. Danke. It means good or well. So gut. It's a G. That's all it is. But the letter name is G. The letter name for this one is Ha. Ha. And it's just a H, like English. House, house, H, same as English. So G, H, G, H, G, H, good house. Easy. Right, the next one, the vowel, just a little bit different from the English. This is E, the name of it. We call it I, don't we? G-H-I. But in German it's called E. So this one's A, the name of it, and this one's E. But a lot of the time it's just a short I sound. So we know already the word for ich heiße, is just I. So ich. Yeah? Ich. Notice as well we've got the C here, and it's often with another letter like H, and that's just ich. A soft sound. Ich. Ich. So that's an example where we see a C, but it's not a very, very common letter in German. Right, next one. J in German is J. This is really important because we say J for jam, jelly. In German, this letter is J. Alright? J. And we had, in the last lesson when we were talking about colours, I described my jacket. A jacket's just a coat, isn't it, what you wear? So, and in German, that's Jacke. Jacke. You might like to eat sometimes a yogurt, and German has the same word, but it's spelt with this letter, because this is the sound for yogurt. Alright, so Jot, Jacke. Jot, Jacke. Next one's easy, it's K, and it's just a K. Katze is a cat. Katze. If you have a cat, you can say my Katze, meine Katze. Meine Katze heißt, my cat is called. Meine Katze heißt. So, J, K, and the last one for today is the letter L. So that's how you say it. L, just like English, it's a L. Okay? L. So we have the example, Löwe. Löwe. It's an animal. It roars very loud. You might see one in the zoo. It's a lion. Löwe. Löwe. Let's just go through those letters again. So these are the names of the letters. G, H, I, J, K, L. G, H, I, J, K, L. It's a G, H, I, J, K, L. That's the real sound of it. Alright? So, let's do them all together now, guys. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, A, F. D, A, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. Again, please, make sure you're doing this with me. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, A, F. D, A, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. We'll do it again this time, just once. A, B, C. D, A, F. G, H, I. J, K, L. One more time. A, B, C. D, A, F. G, H, I. J, K, L. Very well done, everybody. So, I want you to practice saying these. You might need to watch this video another time, maybe even 3 times, just to help go through these words, get these letters, get the sounds in your head. It will be helpful if you practice saying these words and maybe learn them. A, Apfel. B, Buch. F, Frosch, for instance. Alright? But they're just really to help you. So, that's your first lesson on alphabet. And I will do another video very soon and we'll finish off the remaining letters and then we'll know them all. Danke, thank you und tschüss.